One of the most interesting aspects of Fusion 360 is the fact that it does not really locally store your drawings, but it can also store your models on a cloud storage. And the interesting aspect about storing it with cloud storage is this idea of where you can join a team, you can have your own team, and the same drawing instead of being emailed back and forth or having to put in on a drive and then being downloaded and used, you could just make changes real time. And if you could see, if you want to see your recent data, it gets stored over here. So even if you kind of lose connection while you're working, it just does stores a local temp file which gets updated to your cloud once the connection comes back. You can also create your own samples from a hub of projects that they have on their clouds. Now, to create your own project, click on New Project and click on the new project. Go ahead. If you want to upload something, just select it from your file and go ahead and upload it. Or you could just start sketching on the screen. When you go to save, you could save the location in the new project folder that you created. Uh, you could rename it over there in the clouds panel that I showed you. You could rename it and save it as, I want to save it as test. Save it and you should see over here save. Now what if I don't want to save the drawings that I make to the cloud? Well, what if I want to have them locally on my computer? Go ahead, click on file, click on export, and you can save the folder wherever you want. So I'm going to just save it here on my desktop just because it's an experiment. Click on export and your job is done. You could see here Fusion, over here Fusion test v1. That was all about how to save and the cloud storage of Fusion 360. I'll see you in the next video.